you got this great product. It's at the great price. It's in a great location, but no one knows about it. Mm. And you find so many businesses, and when I've in the past done evaluating hundreds of different types of businesses in my various works in terms of academics and working in the public sector, a lot of times when businesses fail, it's not because they did not know the operations. They weren't trained. They weren't qualified. It's a lack of marketing. And marketing covers everything. Marketing is, again, the price, the quality, the training, the attitude, everything that an individual needs in order to make that sale. And when you think about the whole concept of marketing, you have a product or you have your service, and you have that exchange of goods that take place. And so there are plenty of opportunities to really to mess up. And so being systematic, understanding what you're trying to do is very, very important. That's why I go into writing in marketing for professionals is having that marketing strategy. So that's really what those are some of the little tips I would try to give the individuals. First you got to have the attitude. You got to feel comfortable about it, and then you got to identify what is that ideal customer that you're going for, and then you have to come up with an ideal marketing mix, or we say the strategy. So really three key things to really build on.
Okay, so that being said, talk to me a little bit about customer value.
Okay. So again, what makes that's a very difficult thing for most people. Why is that difficult? Because when we talk about customer value, value varies across people because people have different backgrounds. People will have different parenting. People are educated, and so the whole concept of trying to find value for an individual is very, very difficult. And so again, a lot of that is built on doing market research, understanding that demographic, understanding them to a standpoint that you feel comfortable, that you're trying to meet their need in order to be qualified. But really, value goes to the heart of being profitable. Is that people have to feel like they have to feel like I got in a nutshell. I have to feel like I have a deal. So a lot of times, I don't know if you're traveling. If you go to we do a lot of cruises. You go on a cruise, you get off the ship, you're in the Bahamas, or you're in Cancun, and you get off the boat. All these people are inundating you, trying to get you to buy a product. But you look at those products, and you have to make a decision at that point. Do I want that particular product? Does that product meet my need? And I think that's what people do every day. People have to make a decision. Unless they're Trumpsters, very few people have unlimited resources, and so they have to make those decisions to determine does that meet my needs? Yeah. Are you giving me a deal?
Yeah.
And that's really what the heart of value. Are you giving the person a deal? When at the end of the day, when you made that sale, does the person feel good about themselves? And can you get this next sale the next day? Mm-hmm. And that's really what we try to do in teaching individuals and teaching organizations how to build value in their products and in their services.
Okay, so for our viewers here,